it's very helpful, and I've noticed a big difference. Like many of my friends, get to a certain age, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh my gosh, are you noticing less hair and whiter? It's a shock. To have to look in the mirror and see that. So I talked to a friend, and she mentioned going to see Mandy at hair. Oh yeah. So I thought, why not make an appointment? Go visit. It was very hopeful to meet with her and realize there are solutions. It's not invasive. She's a wonderful practitioner who inspires confidence. And she's been doing this a very long time, so completely asked her and really like the results.